it's one of the topics na we discussed in my podcast. Yung culture ng mga Pinoy when red flags
Mhm.
when it comes to finances. Yung mahilig tayo sa installment.
Yeah.
For example, so you get your job, you're earning what? 30,000, 20 to
Mhm.
30K, diba? Yung mga starting ngayon. Tapos, you want to buy a new car agad. A new car is how much? Siguro 18K. 18K a month for 5
Monthly. Yeah.
years. For 5 years. So, we are enticed with 18K lang, which is already half of your sweldo. But you're gonna pay that for 5 years. So, I suggest na yung strategy before you purchase something na i-installment, think
Mhm.
about it first. It's better
Yeah.
na mag-installment ka sa savings mo kaysa mag-installment ka sa bangko ng
Oh, grabe. Grabe. Grabe mag-installment
for
sa savings.
Oo.
Tama.
For example, think of it this way. Buy a second-hand car which cost maybe 100K
Yes.
pag-ipunan mo, di ba? So, 100K, then you will save hundreds of thousands more. So, in 5 years, yung installment na instead ibabayad mo sa bangko, ibayad mo na lang sa savings mo. And then, at the end of 5 years, you can sell that car and buy another second-hand and you can do another installment in your savings. After a while, makakahanap ka ng gusto mo investan. So, avoid purchasing stuff that you're gonna pay for years.
Mhm.
Depende, of course, sa priorities mo. Cars, if you really need it, for example, if you really, really need it and you think you can really pay for it for 5 years.
Mhm.
But it doesn't mean you can pay for it like with the job that you have. Because jobs pwede ding mawala yan anytime.
Yeah.
So,
Correct.
hindi enough na iisipin ko. For example, ako, bibili ba ang bagong property or hindi? Magbe-break muna ako. So, yung mga ganun kasi, it's a commitment like parang 10, 15 years of your life. And kung bata ka pa, like me, when I started in my mid-20s, okay lang, 40s, makaka-recover pa ako. Pero imagine if you're in your 40s right now, tapos you're gonna be paying another 10, 15 years? Don't know. Think about it first. So that's one strategy.
Mhm.
Sleep on
Correct.
it. Huwag bili ng madaming installment.
Correct.